Welcome to Vacuum Wars, and to our review of the Homeika HA016 cordless vacuum. After seeing how popular these have been this year, we finally bought one to test, and in this review, we'll go over all the results and give you our pros and cons. So links in the description, and let's get started. Starting off with the basics, the Homeika HA016 is rare in that it comes in an assortment of colors, like pink, purple, navy, green, and black. Regardless of the color though, they're the same basic vacuum. The HA016 is a 6-in-1 style cordless vacuum, meaning that it's designed to be highly versatile and can be used in multiple configurations for tasks like above floor cleaning, handheld cleaning, or vacuuming stairs and upholstery. It comes with some pretty standard attachments, including a crevice tool, a combo brush, and a wall hanger. Its wand is telescopic and can be retracted down to half its length. One of its pros is its price. It's one of the most inexpensive cordless vacuums we've ever tested. Even for a budget vacuum, I consider its price to be on the low end. It has some features that you don't often see on budget vacuums, like a screen that displays the vacuuming mode, a blockage indicator light, and it displays in real time on the handle how much battery life you have left, which is a really helpful feature. Its battery is detachable, which is not always the case. Also, replacements are available online to purchase from Amazon. It has LED lights on the floor head, which is nice, and a pretty responsive swivel for maneuvering in tight spaces. Though the handle weight was about average, I really liked the design of the handle and the way it felt in my hand. It seemed to make it less strenuous on my arm when vacuuming for long periods and when using as a handheld vacuum. Moving on to the pickup tests, where we found that the Homeika was really good at its main job of picking up debris off of the surfaces of hard floors and carpets. In our test, we found that it performed exceptionally well with both, which is likely due to the large gates on the front head, giving it the ability to not just pick up small debris, but much larger debris than many other models can. It can't all be good stuff though, so let's move on to the cons. The Homeika performed below average with our carpet deep clean test, where we see how good it is at picking up deeply embedded dirt and carpets, as well as the crevice pickup test. But both of these are not surprising considering it did so well with debris pickup on hard floors. As I mentioned, the Homeika has large gates on the floor head which allow for larger debris on hard floors, but the trade-off is this lets more air in, so it's less of a tight seal, which is important with both the crevice pickup test and the deep clean test. Also, while its airflow and suction numbers were below average overall, if you compared those power numbers with just cordless vacuums in its price range, it had pretty decent power. Another con is the battery life. Homeika says that it can get 30 minutes on its lowest power setting, which is significantly below average. And while I would have hoped for more than that, it's hard to expect too much more from a vacuum in this rock bottom price range. The final negative thing I'll mention is that it had poor filtration, but this wasn't very surprising considering I don't know of any budget cordless vacuums, especially in this price range, that have good filtration. So who is the Homeika HA016 for? In my opinion, it's for someone who is looking for mostly a hard floor vacuum, but still needs it to do pretty well with surface debris on carpets or rugs. I see it as a good fit for someone who's looking for a very inexpensive vacuum that's versatile and lightweight, and who has an apartment or other small space, and who is not prioritizing carpet deep cleaning or filtration. Links in the description, and be sure to subscribe to Vacuum Wars before you leave. Thanks for watching.